Was the instruction a direction or not? And why not?
Chair, clearly it was an instruction by the Minister. It also contained the word, I believe repeatedly, direct. The question is, was it a lawful instruction or direction, in the sense, did the Minister have the power to direct or command the closure of a task team that was investigating crimes? And in my view, he did not have that authority, because it relates to the operations, investigating cases, and the operations of the police. In other words, the execution of the police's mandate in terms of Section 205(3). If we say the National Commissioner is responsible to manage and control the police service, that must be linked to manage and control the police service in the execution of its constitutional mandate. And the decision of a minister to close a political task team that was responsible for the investigation of crime, in my view, fell outside the mandate or authority of the minister.
So in short, what may be purporting to be a Section 2072 direction cannot be such a direction if it has strayed onto operational matters.
I agree with that submission or with that explanation, Chair.